has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, south central Mills County in southwestern Iowa, northeastern Omaha County in southeastern Nebraska until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Peru, or 12 miles northeast of Auburn, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamburg, Sydney, Tabor, Peru, Farragut, Riverton, Randolph, Imogene, Duck Creek Recreation Area, and Walbonsee State Park. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 7. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and southeastern Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont and Mills, and Omaha, Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for